down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. We are trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for. Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing up our beds? We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for. What am I doing here? I'm longing for you, dear. If we could look to the stars, maybe life wouldn't be so hard. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way, and no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay. Oh, I think I lost my way. Where am I going now?
Right then people, so that is the weekend done on the Kawasaki Zephyr. I'm not sure how well I've been recording this, so I'll just give you a rundown of what we've done. So for starters, we have taken off the swing arm, removed all the swing arm, we started cleaning up some of the rust. Swing arm's there, That's going to be getting a full rub down, and the paint, it's had a bit of a coat there. We wire brushed it and then I give it a bit of a coat thinking it might get away with it, but it does, it needs a better rub down. The wheels off and all these parts, they're going to get cleaned, reassembled. The springs, as you can probably see in the video, they got a bit of a paint, so they're up here. They do need a few more coats of paint. One got knocked over, so this one needs rubbing down again, and we'll just coat it again, but it's not too bad. So I learned two things this weekend. One, never put aluminium valve caps on brass valves, because we haven't been able to get them off. We've one of them we broke out, but we may as well break the other one out, because we're going to need to take it to a professional to break the tyre bead, to get the tyre off, to replace the valve. So that's something that I'll never be doing. And also, I single-handedly, I am the only one responsible for this. I've broke one of the studs for the headers. So we managed to get the bolts off, which is a first for me. I've never managed to get all the bolts off without breaking them. Realistically, we needed some heat in the garage, but we don't have any heat. So it would have been nice to get that glowing to get it off. But as I've been working it off, I've snapped the thread for the header, which is part of the engine case, part of the head. So luckily, there's enough there to retap and get a decent fix for another stud. Could have been much worse, could have brought the side of the head off. So got away with it there. Well, hopefully we haven't fixed it yet, or I say we. That is solely going to be my dad, because of the new lockdowns, I'm going to be heading home. We're going to be leaving this unfinished. But we got to a good place. It's nice and clean. It runs, which is the most important thing. Or it did run before I broke it. I'm pretty confident that we're going to be able to fix that header stud. We've got a full servicing kit for it. And yeah, we just need to do a bit more cleaning, and then we should be in a good place. This is going to be put on the back burner a little bit now. With COVID hitting the northwest again and everyone being in lockdown, I'm going home because I shouldn't be in people's houses. So it's a bit of a shame, because we came up here to spend some time with family, but because people can't fucking listen in the first place, now we're all in lockdown again. So I'm heading back down south, which is not where I like to be, but at least I can visit people down there. After our 2-week isolation, of course. As you can see, the Zephyr's now moved over to make space for our new purchase, which is why we bought this Zephyr, to flip it, make some money so we can get the bikes that we want. We get him the same bike each, me and my dad. We've just purchased mine. This is a bike I plan on keeping for the rest of my life. So this build is going to be something I'm going to be taking a lot of care and attention on, and it's probably going to take me a long time, because I want to do a lot of it myself so I can get to the end and be like, I built this. So I'm going to be learning lots of new things, building lots of new things. It's going to be a pretty sick bike. I've been Googling it, trying to get some ideas, and no one's done what I'm planning to do before. So it leaves us in a bit of a good place. So hopefully next week, you'll also see a bit of a real reveal video of my new purchase. Catch you all in the next video, guys.